I met Kane, a pickleball friend who's about my age and has the experience of Zen at the Zen Center, Los Angeles, where I have been, and had lots of interesting discussion. One of the points is that when the ball fell in between us, I said there's a haiku of Basho, pointing the silence after such event. The haiku says, old pond, a flock jumps in, a sound of water. In this case, just a little pop of the ball that we couldn't do anything about. It's great to find people who can share even the ideas like Zen. He's a therapist.